guys, so this is the sound that's gonna be in we'll change it to the eco mode is pretty much, I have it on stage 2, so eco mode is pretty much for me is a factory map setting for me. So this is gonna be running on factory settings right now, which is a normal drive for without tuning your car. For me, eco mode is factory settings, but it does change the exhaust sound a little bit. So I hope you guys could hear it, and let's just get to it. Move to the side, let the cars go by real quick. And there we have it. Oh, another car's coming. Some people don't know how to drive, guys. You guys must have seen on the road, they're just retarded. There's no pops, no high RPM. You just get that burble sound, you know. So it's not that bad. It's nice in eco mode. Pops or anything like that. It's kind of quiet. Finally they fixed the road. Yay, now I can drive properly on it. Gotta get some gas. But yeah, guys, this is eco mode, honestly. You know what, I'll make a short clip on the highway too for you guys. Get some gas first. And guys, so this is how it sounds pretty much. Kind of quiet on the road. So yeah, I'll change it to a normal mode, like which is stage 1. Mode is off. Stage 1 now. Hear it in the mic that much, but it does get a little bit louder, just a tiny bit, not that much. So it's still comfortable. It's a comfortable drive. If you're going on a long drive or something, it's still comfortable. Nothing's bothering me. No no drone, nothing like that. That's just me flooring it. You see it quiets down again, which is good. That's what I was looking for. And then we'll go ahead. I'm sorry it's kind of shaking a little bit, but yeah, I try my best to stabilize it, but I guess that's the best we're gonna get. Yeah, so I'll go ahead and go for stage 2 on sport mode, which is stage 2 for me. Now it's loud. And there's pops too. And the burble sound with it. This is totally makes a huge difference. Are down right now. I don't know if you guys yeah, my windows are down a little bit now. I just didn't want to have the wind sound in the microphone, you know. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys, this helped you guys out, and I appreciate it. So comment below if you guys want any specific video. I'll do my best on that. And the setup again is a PRL downpipe caddy, front pipe, resonant delete, and muffler delete. All right, thanks for watching. Stay safe.